Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Northwest Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful spec home here to show you. This is the Hayden floor plan, and it has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it's really nice, okay? Let's go ahead and take a look. So you come in, you're welcome with this nice porch. Okay, very rare in today's homes. And as you come in, you're welcome with this room over here. This is the den. It's open. You could use it as a den or you could use it as a dining room, whatever you want to use it for. It's open. You could actually close it if you want and make it more to my private den. Okay. Let's continue. Over here, you got your kitchen. And up here, you got the stairwell that goes to the 2nd floor. Okay. This home has plenty of space. This home has 2,601 square feet. Check this out. Very spacious. And then over here, you have a bathroom. And then over here, you have a bedroom in the 1st floor. Okay, this is, when you're getting a 2-story home, this is very nice to have a bedroom in the 1st floor. For me, when I'm trying to sell homes that do not have a bedroom in the 1st floor, they're very hard to sell. So this is good that this home has that. Okay, this is the double car garage. Over there in the corner, you have your hurricane shutters, electrical panel, and your water heater system. Okay, like I said before, this is a spec home. So right now, this home is already sold. But if you like this floor plan, just give us a call and we'll tell you what's available and where they're gonna be building them, okay? So just let us know. And I also wanna let you guys know that this builder offers a lot of incentives, okay? So that's another thing that you could take advantage of if you like this floor plan. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the kitchen. As you can see, quartz countertop with a stainless steel under mount. This builder offers all the appliances, like you see here, the range with your microwave, your stainless steel refrigerator. And one thing that everybody loves about this builder is their nice size pantry. Check this out. With this, you could go to Sam's Club or Costco and really buy everything that you need and keep it here in storage. So let me give you another look at this 1st floor. Remember, you have the den in the front that you could turn it into a room, or you could actually use it as a den or a dining room, and then down here you have a bedroom with a bathroom. Okay, now let's go upstairs. Upstairs, like I told you, this area here has a loft, so I'll show you when I get to it there. Okay, this is the master bedroom. Okay, as you can see, it's a very nice size master bedroom. I mean, if you have a big family, this could be the home for you. 5 bedrooms. Okay, over here, your master bathroom with the quartz countertop. You have a really nice, unique closet here. So you have an area here to hang stuff and another area to hang stuff. You have a window. So it brings nice brightness to the bathroom. Okay, now over here, you got your toilet closet. And this is your master bedroom closet. As you can see, it has a really nice size. Now let's continue. Okay, so we move over here. This is the laundry room. I'm sorry that it's a little dark, the light's not working, so the washer and dryer. Like I said, this home brings the appliances. And also over here, let's call this room number 2, since we already visited the master. Nice size room. And the nice thing about the second floor, you get a nice view from the window. Okay. And now let's go over here and let's take a look at the loft. There's an area here where you can just maybe set up a TV area, relax out here. So you can also set up like a desk up here, workstation. I've seen that in some other homes. And also you also have a really nice closet over here. So like I said before, this could also, if you need more rooms, you can actually enclose this and you already have a closet. So you can make this into a room if you want. Okay, let's continue here. Let's call this room number 3. Okay, nice and spacious. Similar to the first one that I want to show you. Here's the closet. Now let's continue. Now this is the bathroom on the second floor. You have a nice closet over here. Your double sink. And then over here you got your toilet with your bathtub and shower. And it's all backsplash tile. Over here is where your AC hangs out. Nice big closet for your AC. And the nice thing also, you could actually put, stuff in here too. You got a couple of shelves here. That's nice. Oopa. And then over here, you have another closet. As you can see, it's a big house and you have a lot of closet. Okay, and this is room number 4. Then number 5 is the master bedroom. So let me stand over here. Really nice room with nice bright, nice windows. And you have your closet over there. Nice size here. Okay, let's run over. And remember, I was just going to give you this room. Home has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. And it has 2,601 square feet under air. Okay, this home is a spec home. This one is already sold. But if you like this floor plan, this builder is building homes like this. So let me know if you're interested in this floor plan. I will give you the price and I'll ask the builder where they're going to be building them and I'll let you guys know. Okay, please write in the comments below what do you think about this home. And please give me a like. I really like that because that really helps my algorithm to promote these videos to more people. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.